what does a really authentic, unique human experience look like? And so over the last few years, I've had this obsession with, yes, technology is moving into our worlds, but how does a human experience change? And it was through that experience here in Phoenix, when I got to interact with the Navigators, that completely opened up my eyes. But it was also this reminder that the airports, actually we have our most vulnerable moments, our most human moments. Actually these goodbyes that sometimes hurt a lot. But also we have these really, really happy hellos as well. It was just not that the airport is this experience for us to be vulnerable, but it's how do we connect from the human experience with every single one of them, with every single passenger, every single employee. And so when I got to learn a little bit more about the Navigator program, I became inspired. So with that said, I am so excited to be celebrating with all of you, not only 90 years of the airport, but also this Navigator program. This Navigator program that every time I've had a chance to interact with all of you, you show us that you are a role model of what a service could look like. It's not just customer service for customer's sake. It's really showing how you're serving each other, how you're serving communities, how you're serving each other as human beings. And so the Navigators are a reminder that as the world gets much more digitized, we have an opportunity to also be much more human as well, right? You're seeing that with our buddies and these wonderful experiences and just being of service to others. In this era of constant change and digital tools, the Navigators have been way ahead of their time. 25 years ago, we had envisioned that the future can be much more human. Today, Phoenix is at the center of what transformation could look like for the rest of the world. You're building a legacy for not only for this community, for the city, for this airport, that we can always be of service to others. Navigators, airport staff, leaders, you make those moments happen. And thank you, Navigators, for showing us all what the best of humanity looks like. Thank you for having me.